Flight from an officer in Louisiana. What is flight from an officer? Flight from an officer is when the driver intentionally refuses to stop when he knows he's been given an audible and visual command by a police officer who reasonably believes that the driver committed an offense, whether this be a traffic violation or any other crime, and the officer's in a police-marked vehicle. Flight from an officer in Louisiana is a misdemeanor charge. It's not a felony. It becomes a felony when it becomes an aggravated flight from an officer, which requires that human life be endangered. So the sentence for flight from an officer is up to 6 months of imprisonment and or a fine of $150 to $500. Common examples of flight from an officer include when the driver doesn't have, sometimes he doesn't pull over because he doesn't have insurance or license or registration, so he just keeps going. Sometimes he'll have a warrant, bench warrant or arrest warrant, and he doesn't feel like going to jail that day. Maybe he has some contraband that he's trying to get rid of or trying to hide. Or maybe he's in a stolen vehicle and knows that the license plate's run, he's going to jail. A lot of times flight from an officer leads to new charges. Regardless of the reason of why he doesn't stop, we provide a strong criminal defense. There's lots of ways to defend these charges and to mitigate these charges to get the best result. So if you've been charged or you know someone who's been charged with flight from an officer, give Carl Barkemeyer, attorney at law, a call.